yet another cooking video. In our today's video, we shall be making some soft layered chapatis. Have you been wondering why is your chapatis very hard? Where are you going wrong with your chapatis? If I mention, chapati is a very renowned African dish, or rather Eastern African dish. We like to have our chapatis with some stews. We have chapati as snack, and the good thing about the chapatis, you can take them any time of the day. So let's dig in deeper. Let's see which ingredients, and I'm not kidding, we are using only 4 ingredients. Only 4 ingredients, you'll have your soft layered chapatis. So let's get into our ingredients. With me, I have my flour. So these 2 cups of flour. So roughly this should give us 6 medium-sized chapatis. I have my salt, I have my vegetable oil, and I have my warm water. So I didn't kid, we are only using 4 ingredients. And you have to make sure that you use some warm water because you want very soft chapatis. And again, I have to insist, to get your very soft layered chapatis, you have to mix well your ingredients. And this means that you don't use either very hot water or you don't use very cold water. So you want to avoid having either hard chapatis or a very tough dough to deal with. So let's get into that. And before we get into this, kindly remember to like the video, subscribe, and also share the video. In my bowl, I'll put in my flour. Then I'll go in with my salt. You'll use the teaspoon. So for 2 cups of flour, you'll go with 1 teaspoon. But I'll have to add some more because I like my chapatis with a bit of salt. For those who like sugar, you can add your sugar in this basic step. But remember to balance in your salt and sugar. But for healthy reasons, we are trying to keep those calories below or not include so many calories. So I'll skip the sugar in this step. So I'll give them a very fast mix. Then I'll go in with my oil. Remember, you can also use, you can either use the vegetable oil, you can also use margarine or butter, depending on what you have available in your kitchen. Once I have that ready, I'll go in with my water. Once your dough is half made, it's time to go in with your hands. So let's get into it. And remember, as you're going in with your hands, you'll go adding more flour to ensure that your dough is somehow has a very fine texture. So you'll do this step repeatedly to a point where your dough is very soft yet not sticky. Again, you don't want to make a very hard dough because that will set precedence on how your chapati will come out. So here we have our dough is ready, and how you know that your dough is ready and very nice is because that our dough is very soft and not very sticky. So what you have in your bowl is like almost clean bowl. So with this, we let this sit here for like 10 minutes. This is to ensure that gluten relaxes, and also ensure that now we have it has softened and it's more relaxed in our next step. It's been 10 minutes since our dough has been sitting, so let's move to the next step. So you add some flour, then we shall roll this and add some oil. Once you have applied your oil, so I'll go in with some flour. This helps in us achieving the layers that we want. So once I have done that, I'll go in with making my smaller doughs. So this is what I have. So I'll go ahead with making or rather with rolling this to the shape of my liking. Again, remember to adjust your heat accordingly. I'm using medium high. If you use very low heat, then your chapati will tend to get hard.